Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last video we have done a down payment request. Now I'm going with a down payment request against a down payment. And last time video I have covered a down payment request with a say purchase order validation, where other vendors purchase order also not going not accept. It will give you a error message that it will be a vendor purchase order purchase document will be other vendors. So now I'm going with the F-48, whereas vendor down payment request against a down payment request. Now F-48 it's an post a vendor down payment. So this is the date which I'm going to select here. I'm posting date, and you can give the header text. Now this is the vendor which I'm going to post here, and this is a account, bank account, which I'm just keep it 1 rupee 1. So it will automatically fetch it. So 1, just keep it a 1. So I don't know how much down payment request is there. So let us see. You can keep it a 1. And now click here for the request. So this is a request number which was was generated, and this is against this purchase order, and this is the amount. So anyway, no problem, just click on the down payment request. So now the issue is giving you order value will be exceeded. It means your order which you have order generated, that is exceeding the 12,000. Okay, no problem. This is a message which we will cover it in the next video. And enter here. This is the name 1. I have to replace with the amount change to star. If I put a star here, automatically it will take it me. And now I'll click here for the overview. So if I give a overview, this is credit to the bank account and debit to the my vendor. Now I'm going to save here. Now the document has been saved, this document. So let me check in the document statement in the ABL1N. This is an ABL1N. I'll just open here. Now what I'll do is just I'll click normal and special GL indicator. If you have a request only down payment request, then you can put it noted items, else no way. Just I'm keeping off here and going ahead with the down payment now. So I can see here it is the down payment request against a key. Can you see here? This is the down payment which I have generated. Now it is a down payment. 12,000 rupees it is generated now, just now. So thank you so much for watching this video. And okay, I'll go ahead with the one more. So this, if you want, you can reverse here. How to reverse the down payment request? Just I'm going ahead with the down payment request reversal. Just I'm going with the new window and just B08 for reversal of down payment request or any document which is belongs to account. Now I'm going ahead with the reversal, and 01 is my reversal reason. Just I'll save here. It will automatically document is clear. Down payment request. Yes, now it is created a video was posted. Now I can see my statement. I'll refresh it. So this document will go into reverse. 12,000 has been gone. There is no down payment request here. Sorry, down payment here. But I can see the down payment request. Yes, I'm going out. Click here and I will remove this one. Let's see the down payment request. because of against down payment request I have removed reversal of the down payment. Just I'm clicking in the cleared items, just I'm all viewing, so it is the reversal of it. See, the document has been reversed with the 002. So if you see here, this is NA 3005U. I have created a one request which was cleared here, which was cleared in 2002, and the same thing was created with a down payment, and down payment was cleared with the reversal with the 3006. And now you will not going to get any request because of down payment request has been already reversed automatically. Be aware, once you reverse the down payment, automatically down payment request also going to reverse. Thanks for watching my video, and we will soon get a new video. Thanks for watching, and I hope subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you. Thanks once again.